Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 938, that is range sum of BST. And in this we'll be given the root of a binary search tree and two integers 0 and high, and we have to return the sum values of all nodes with a value that is inclusive in the range of low and high. Okay, so I hope everyone knows that what a binary search tree is. It means that on the left it will be on the left of every node we will be having every element that is less than that particular node, and on the right side we'll be having all the elements that are greater than that particular node. Okay, so it's a basic question, and it can be solved easily with the question. So first we'll be checking that if my root becomes null, we'll be returning 0. Okay, then what we'll be checking that if like the value of the root is less than low, so this means that it will be present on the we'll be have to traverse in the right side of the particular node. Okay, so what we have to return, range sum BST with root dot right and the low and high. Okay, but if this is not the case, else if let's have a value that root dot val is greater than high, then we'll be traversing in the left side of that particular node, range sum BST with root dot left comma low comma high. Okay, and at then what we have to do, we have to return root dot val plus range sum BST along with the root dot right, then low and then high as the values, plus range sum BST of binary search tree root dot left comma low comma high. Okay, so this is how we'll be solving this question. Okay, so I guess I made a mistake. It says the output is 50. Okay, so if root dot val is less than low, then I have to check in the right subtree, and if it's greater than high, then I have to check in the left subtree. Root dot right and low comma high plus, okay, everything seems fine. If root dot val less than low, then we have to do return range sum BST root dot right low comma high, and if root dot val, okay, so what's the issue? Root dot right comma low comma high, root dot left comma low comma high. Okay, it's getting me, that means it's at the end adding this 82. Okay, oh yeah, sorry, here I forgot to call the return function. Yeah, now let's run it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's submit it. And it works. Okay, so yeah, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.